second graders. Today we're going to learn about two new vocabulary words that are going to help us with our math. The first word is the word even. When we think about even, we think about skip counting. So you can skip count 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. We're also going to learn about the word odd. Odd are numbers like 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. So thinking about our learning target today, it's can I identify even and odd numbers? So thinking about, can you identify whether a number is even or odd? Can you explain your thinking and showing your work using pictures or words or a number line, which we're all going to learn about today. So let's get started. When we think about a number, for example, if we think about the number 6, we want to know whether or not this number is even or odd. When we think about even, we're thinking about every part of the number having a partner. So if I want to use tools, I can have 6 tools. Now, one way I can organize these is by putting them in partners like this. You can see each one has a partner, someone to hang out with. That means this number is even, because I can skip count as well. 2, 4, 6. If you can skip count by 2, that means the number is even. But let's look at a different number. This is the number 5. So let me get out 5 of my tools. And now I need to think, can they each have a partner? I can see one partner here, one partner here, but this one has no partner. That means this number is odd. So when I look at these numbers, I can think even or odd. When I skip count for 5, I can go 2, 4, but wait, 5, I cannot skip count by 2. So that means this number is odd. Notice that there was 2 ways that I showed you a number was even or odd. Now, let's think, what if I have the number 11? So again, I'm going to start by getting out 11 tools. Okay, now I have my tools. I counted out 11. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now I can skip count and find whether or not 11 is even or odd by skip counting by 2s, or I can partner up my tools. I'm going to show you both. These are 2 strategies to figure out whether a number is even or odd. So I have partner, partner, there's a partner, there's a partner, there's a partner, and an odd man out. This one has no partner, so that means this number is odd. But again, I can skip count by 2s and see. If I want to show I'm skip counting, I can out loud skip count. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, but that means I'm missing 11. So that means this number is odd. But I can also skip count by writing it down. So I could go 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and show that you cannot skip count by 2. There's one other way we could show our thinking, and that is by using a number line. So it's just like what we did with skip counting. So I'm just going to draw a number line, and I can skip count by 2. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. But I know 11 is right there, which means I cannot skip count by 2 to get that number. That means this number is odd. Let's do one more. I have the number 14. So If you don't have tools that you can use, or you want to try a different strategy rather than using your tools or using your number line for skip counting, you can draw your number. We can use circles. So I can draw partners 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. You can see, because I drew them, you can see the partners. So I could draw a circle around the partners. If there's any one that doesn't have a partner, it won't have a circle or a partner in the circle. You can see everyone has a partner. So that means this number is even. Now, if I have the number, actually, I'm not going to tell you the number. I'm just going to draw circles. I want you to think, if you have this many circles, how can you show the number is even or if the number is odd? Well, the first thing I need to do is I need to think, okay, even means that everyone has a partner. So I can go ahead and start circling around partners. So I see there's a partner, there's a partner, there's a partner, here's a partner, here's a partner, partner, and partner. But look, there's one who doesn't have a partner. That means this number is odd. So let's see what this number is. So we can skip count. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15. 15 is odd. I know because one of the circles has no partner. That means the number is odd. So I want you to think, friends, when we have a number that is 2 digits, you can skip count all the way to 24. You can also think, what's a good strategy? And one is, I can look at the ones place and think, is this number even or odd? So when I think about my ones place, I'm thinking 4. Can I skip count 4? By 2's. So 2, 4. That means that this number is even. Because I know that 20 already is an even number because I can skip count to 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, which means I can also skip count to 20. 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Because all of those end in 0, and a 10 is an even number. So that means that anytime I look at this ones, if that's even, then I know the whole number is even. If it's odd, then that means the whole number is odd. But I want you to think, are you able to show your work and explain your work? Do you know when a number is even and when a number is odd? Think about your levels of understanding. Oops, wrong side. 1, you're really confused. 2, I'm kind of getting it, but maybe I need a little bit more practice or another strategy or another teach. Maybe I need some help from a partner. 3, I can do this on my own. And 4, I can teach somebody how to do this. Think about what you're learning is earning, and see you next time.